And that is why I will, in the next financial year, work a plan to build a dormitory for the girls who are now being squeezed in our beds kule tutatengeneza hiyo dormitory. Na Bwana Matuga, sukuma funds manager pale aweke hiyo. And I've requested Madam Principal kindly make that design, get the bills of quantity, hiyo ingine niwachie. Nikiwa na Mama County Jerusha who is in the education committee. Nikiwa na mbunge wa Kitutu Masaba Engoko, who is in the education committee. The only thing they can do for us is to make sure that Sironga Girls is where it belongs. Siwezi kuzungumza zaidi ya hiyo. The only thing I'll beg of you, walimu, is just to give up everything because of these children. Just give them the best, and any support you require from government, iyo wachia mimi, tutasukumana na iyo, we will deliver. With those remarks, permit me, with tremendous respect, to now invite to our ODM, Nyakiralio Irene. Ametupea pudding.